Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how to register on the MEMIDOS website as a seller. First of all, go to MEMIDOS.com. Once you are there, head over to the Sell on MEMIDOS section, then click on Seller Membership. This takes you to our membership selection screen. Here you can choose the plan, which is the best for you, and subscribe to MEMIDOS as a seller. For the purpose of this video, we will go ahead with a free membership. Now we just have to fill in these boxes with the required general information. Agree to the terms and conditions, and press Register. On this screen, a final overview is shown. Since we chose a free membership, we are shown that no payment is required, but if you had chosen a paid plan, this is an example of what it would have looked like. Now, you should click on the Proceed button, which will guide you on how to finish setting up the company profile. However, I will show you how to do it from the Settings section in the Store Manager. We are now on the Store Manager dashboard. On this page, you can edit the relevant information about your company and your products. MEMIDOS is a multi-language site with English as a base language. Always remember to have English chosen as the set language. When you click on the Settings tab, you can customize every aspect about your company, like its image, banner, description, and so on. Simply click on the image boxes, choose an image, and click Select. The little blue mark next to some of the sections displays additional information such as image size, so it can best fit the frame on the website. In the text field, you enter a description of your company, which will be shown in the About section of the storefront. Remember to also have the description in English. To get an overview on how your storefront looks like so far, click on Save and then scroll up to the top of the page. By clicking on the top left button, My Store, you will open a separate window with your storefront. And now we go back to creating the storefront, and we close the overview window. From here, we go to the location section. Here, you can add the store's address and even put a waypoint to the store on the little map. Up next is payment. By choosing bank transfer in the preferred payment method, you will be directed to fill out the required information. Input the bank details that are relevant to you. In the Customer Support section, you can fill out the details of your customer support department if they are separate from your company. To see how to set up shipping and products, we recommend that you watch our other tutorials. In the last section, we will be looking at the store invoice. When selling on MEMIDOS, you are invoicing the customer. Your company data for the invoice is taken from your information that you had filled out beforehand. Under Store Invoice, we just have to type in how many digits you will have in the invoice number and any prefixes or suffixes that you might choose. Then, you will be directed to input the VAT number again. Now, don't forget to press Save after editing all the details on your profile. That was it for this tutorial on how to register a seller account. If you want to stay updated with new features or other news around MEMIDOS, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching and have a great day.